I'm going to edit some photo using the online Photoshop version. First of all, I want to open the photo I want to edit. Goes to the file and click on open. It's open the location in your computer or in your smartphone. Normally this is my location, but if it is in a separate location, you should have to go to the specific location and select the image, and I want to get this image and click on open. I want to get the copy of this image. I think it's better. I think this is the best tool. There's some kind of selection tools. Selection tools mean if you want to do some kind of edit, you have to use the selection tool. This is a rectangular marquee tool. Rectangular select and select the image. I want to get the copy, edit, copy, and go to new canvas, file, new, and no need to change those sizes because it simply get the copied image size, create and paste it, edit, paste, yeah. Same size it get it. Now you can move here and there. This is the original image, this is the newest one. I'm not going to do some kind of changes to my original image. Simply close this one, okay, and now you can see my copy of the original image. The most important thing is in the Photoshop, this is the layer palette. You can display the layers, click on this button. Now I have two layers. One is the background layer, next one is the layer 1. Layer 1 which contain my some kind of billboard. Here this is some kind of eye. I can click on the eye, I can hide the layer and I can see the layer. I want to put some image inside the billboard. What is the image? I'm going to the file and open. I'm going to get this horse, I think it's better, and click on open. Now you can get this horse. I need the few area of this horse. Again I use the rectangular selection and select the area of the horse which I need to add to my billboard, and go to the edit, copy, and go back to the image and edit, paste. Now you can see the horse image is a little bit larger than the billboard also. I want to reduce the size of this image. Simply I can use the move tool. This is the move tool. Click on the move tool and it displays the option for the move tool. Put this tick inside the transform control. Now it's displayed the transform control for the selected layer. What is selected layer? You can see it's a layer palette. When I click on the layer 1, it's display the layer 1, it's layer 2. The horse is in layer 2. Then I click on the layer 2 and select the move tool with the tick of the transform control. Now I can change the size of the horse using the transform controls. It's better. I think it's enough, right? Okay. After do all the changes, don't forget to click on this tick mark because it's a confirmation. I think I want to remove this transform control. Now I want to display the horse behind the billboard. I want to press and hold the layer 1 and I'm going to move it top of the layer 2. Now the layer 1 is top of the layer 2. When I hide the layer 1, you can see the layer 2. When I show the layer 1, you can't see the layer 2. What I'm going to do, click on the layer 1 and again select the marquee tool, rectangular marquee, and select the white colored area of the billboard, only the white colored area, because I want to cut this area. Then I'm going to edit, cut it. Got the point? Deselect, select, deselect. Remove the selection. Okay, now you can see the horse inside the billboard. It's simple. Again click on the horse and again click on the move tool because I want to move the horse. Then I can move the horse. Also I want to reduce the size. Tick on the transform control and reduce the size of the horse. I think it's better. it's okay. Right, confirm. Yes, it is confirmed. Now you can see it. Yes. But I want to give some 3D look. I'm going to zoom this image using the zoom tool. Click on the billboard. Right. I want to show this hose like comes out from the billboard. How we do it? I hide the layer 1. Click on the layer 1 eye, and I'm going to get the copy of these legs. Before I get the copy of these legs, I have to select the legs. Click on the layer 2, and most suitable tool for this selection, I'm going to right click on the magic wand tool. This is a quick selection tool. Click on the quick selection tool, and I'm going to select it. It's too much. I think it's better new one. Select, deselect. Quick selection. Simply it's a little bit difficult to click on the quick selection. I think if you're using the online, if you're using the normal Photoshop, it's most easiest method is a quick selection, but unfortunately we can't use this quick selection. I want to get the polygon lasso tool. I think it's easy, and click on the edge of the horse legs. I want to get only these 2 legs. Give the one click, click, click. If there's any wrong points, you can press the backspace. The selection is little bit difficult in the online version. Agree? Yes. Because again, it's also the leg. Click, click, click. Just I want to get 2 legs only. Right. Comes to starting point and double click. Now I can see. Sorry. Give the one click, and I can select it, and then go to the edit, copy. Again, I want to edit, paste. Right. Now you can see I can get the 2 legs separately. The layer 1, it contains the billboard. Layer 3 contains 2 legs. Layer 2, it contains entire horse. Zoom out. Select the zoom tool and zoom out. Right, again zoom out. Now I'm going to do, I would simply move the layer 1 next to the layer 3. Now this is the order: layer 3, 1, 2. That's it. That's my final output. I think. Right. How we did it? Simply did it using the layers in the Photoshop. It's not the magic. It's the Photoshop layers. Okay, do it on yourself.